Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop on quickly. It is Friday the 3rd of January 2020 and I want to tell you that today is the launch of the Stampin' Up Bration. So if you go to my website www.applelover53.co.uk, you can see it at the top here and you'll see all the different tabs I have on my website, including a link to my blog, including all the information relating to the ScanNCut. You'll also see Stampin' Up. When you click on the Stampin' Up tab, you can shop with me, which will take you directly to my shop. You can join my team if you want to be able to purchase Stampin' Up products at a 20% discount, or you maybe want to make it a business and earn yourself commission on all orders placed through your online shop, or if you do classes or workshops. You can request paper catalogues. Now, we do have to buy our own catalogues, and obviously they're costly and they cost to send. So I do ask for a contribution towards the annual catalogue, but if you do place an order and you email me to let me know you have done, I will refund you £2.50 against your first order. You can view all the catalogues online. So here you'll see the annual catalogue, you'll see the new mini January to June catalogue, which launches today with all the fabulous new products, and the Celebration brochure, which will show you what items you can earn for free with every £45 you spend from today in either the mini catalogue or the current annual catalogue. So I just briefly want to talk about Celebration. I joined a year today, so I joined as a Stampin' Up demonstrator on the 3rd of January 2019, and I can't believe where the year has actually gone. It's flown, and I want to thank every single person that has chosen me to shop with through my Stampin' Up shop. It isn't my main job, I do have another job, but it does allow me to earn commission on your purchases. You don't pay any more, you just pay the catalogue price, and Stampin' Up gives us a small commission. Now, when I started as a bronze demonstrator, which is like the basic level, and you instantly earn 20% discount on anything you buy yourself, or you earn 20% commission on anything that anybody buys through your shop. And because of your support, I've been able to progress to silver, which now means that I earn 25% discount. So that gives me 25% discount on anything I buy for myself, but it also gives me 25% commission of anything that you spend in my shop. It's not a fortune, as I say, I do have another job, but it does enable me to buy small treats for myself and my daughter, and it also enables me to carry on purchasing product that I can then show in my videos and hopefully encourage others to craft, not necessarily buy, but encourage people to craft. So as I say, today is the start of the Celebration brochure. This is the new mini catalogue and it is absolutely beautiful. There are so many beautiful things in this catalogue. I have to say, you know, the sweets, the papers, the stamps, there's so much. As I say, you can view all this online. And for every £45 you spend in my shop from either this catalogue or the annual catalogue, you will get to choose a free item from this Celebration brochure. And it says here, look, free. £45 purchase, you can get this for free. There are a couple that you have to spend £90 to get, so like this die set, but the majority of the things in this brochure are all free with a £45 spend. If you decide that Stampin' Up you think is something that you'd like to get involved with, well then why not join my team? You have to join up under somebody with Stampin' Up, so I signed up under somebody, and then obviously if you want to join you can sign up under me. There's a big join now button here. You click this, it takes you straight to my online store, and then you click join. It explains everything that you get. Now what I will say is, if you join during Celebration, you can choose £130 worth of product from any of the catalogues, excluding the Celebration brochure, and you just pay £99 and you get free P&P. Now, in addition, Stampin' Up are giving you the mini guillotine trimmer and 48 6x6 designer series double-sided papers, which are all taken from all the suites that are available. And in addition to all that, you can choose a free stamp set from either the new mini catalogue or the annual catalogue. So just to recap, if you join my team from today, 3rd of January, until the celebration ends, which is 31st of March, you get to choose, it says here, £130 worth of product of your choice for £99 with free P&P, and in addition, you will get a stamp set of your choice, the mini guillotine, and 48 6x6 designer series papers, which are all from the mini catalogue brochure. If you have any questions, go to my website. You can contact me through the contact page. There are details there of how to get in touch with me. There's a form, or you can just direct email me. My email address is there. But as I say, I just wanted to pop on quickly, A, let you all know about the Celebration offer, and B, to thank you all for shopping with me through 2019 and enabling me to remain as an active Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thank you.